Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Down in the little village of Xixia in Pingtung County sits the Zhongyi Temple. The courtyard-style building was originally built in 1721 and features a couplet on the front door, which represents the bravery of the Liutui Hakka people who sacrificed themselves to defend their homeland during the reign of Emperor Kangxi, plus the soldiers who fought in the Wufangshan Revolution and Lin Shuangwan incident. Not only is this a place for remembrance, it's also a place of worship and festivities. Annually, there are two major festivals and the Liutui Sports Day, another big event for the community.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係廉習小 Joseph Lin。我後來發覺竹田啊，其實就是我們以前聊過的六堆的其中一堆嘛，對不對？
竹田是屬於這個六堆裡面的中堆。
Okay, this is actually part of a whole area that we introduced before, known as 六堆, and it's actually in the middle one, okay, called 中堆。好，來到了六堆的這個竹田呢，我們今天要去哪兒呢？
那就一定要去六堆總義祠。
忠義祠啊，其實忠義祠好像各地都有嘛，對不對？
對啊，
新竹也有。
其實像北部我們就講義民廟，義民廟。
對。
然後南部我們會稱叫忠勇宮，忠勇宮。
忠勇宮 ，OK。This is a very well-known temple. It can be found across the island, but here in southern Taiwan, in Liutui, you should go to one called 忠義祠。
總義祠，
總義祠就為了是要來記得祖先的一些事蹟了。
對啊，就是當年就是客家人為了保護家園，就是犧牲奉獻，我們就把這些先民把它集合起來，就安葬在這邊。
It is to remember some of the ancestors that fought for the homeland, and so they have these temples here to remember them, and that's very, very honorable. It's called 忠義祠。然後呢，講到六堆，其實還有一個六堆運動會嘛。
超卡，它每年都會舉辦哦，大家也可以來去那個六堆運動會看一看、玩一玩，它每年都很熱鬧哦。
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of happenings when they hold the sports day over in this area too. Let's review some of these places that we talked about, and it's all about remembering their ancestors. There is 忠義祠，
總義祠，
總義祠. Okay, that's the 忠義 temple, but there's also 義民廟。
義民廟，
義民廟. Okay, that's a different temple, but kind of for the same purpose, 義民廟. So, go enjoy this historic trip in 竹田, and that does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.